Funny thing about Brondell. A lot of you people probably know about Brondell, but when you take this little rubber gasket and it just falls right in there and falls right back out, and it's going into a pipe that was designed to be cone sealed from within, I think that they've made a dire mistake providing their customers with just this. So I found this in my collection. It looks like it's a beautiful black rubber hose washer for a regular size hose, because that tiny washer, it didn't seal anything. And they say, hey, throw some thread tape on it in the directions. There's no way it's not a thread tape connection. Anyways, I'm hoping for the best. Give us a bigger gasket.